In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Synchrony Bank. Opening an account online is a straightforward process, and we'll walk through each step together to ensure everything is clear and easy to follow. Whether you're opening your first bank account or looking to switch banks, following these steps will help you get set up in no time. First, you'll need to go to your preferred web browser and type Synchrony Bank. Hit enter, and you'll see Synchrony Bank at the top of the search results. By clicking on this link, you ensure that you're going to the official Synchrony Bank website, which keeps your data safe and secure. After you've arrived at the Synchrony Bank homepage, you'll notice a few options and sections. What you're looking for is the banking section. So to proceed, click on the link that says Synchrony Credit Cards, Financing, Marketplace, Banking, and more. This will direct you to a more detailed page with various banking products and services that Synchrony offers. Once you're on this page, look for the Banking tab. It's often prominently displayed because Synchrony wants you to find its banking services easily. Clicking on Banking will lead you to the section where you can access or start new banking services, including opening a new checking account. Next, you'll see a button labeled Start Saving Now. While it might sound related to savings accounts, it's actually a navigational step. By clicking here, you're taken to where you can start the process of opening a new account. Now you'll be on a page with an obvious call to action. It will say, yes, open a Synchrony Bank account. Click on this and you'll begin the application process for your new account. It's crucial to ensure that when you click these links, they match what we've guided you to. This ensures you're proceeding with the correct and secure actions on the official site. Finally, you'll reach the new account application form. This is where you'll fill in all your personal information. Be sure to have your ID, social security number, and any other required documents handy. Accuracy is key here. Double check each detail to avoid any unnecessary setbacks. Once everything is filled out, simply hit the Submit or Continue button to finalize your application. And there you have it. You've just learned how to open a checking account online with Synchrony Bank. It's that simple. Congratulations on taking this step toward managing your finances more efficiently. Feel free to revisit any part of this guide if you need a refresher, and reach out to Synchrony Bank's customer service if you encounter any specific issues. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more financial tips and guides.